Did you know that one person donating their eyes can restore vision for up to 4 to 5 blind people? Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Sethi, Principal Director and Head of Department of Ophthalmology at Max Panchsheel. Today, I want to clear some myths regarding eye donation. Did you know that there are more than 10 lakh blind people waiting for a corneal transplant? And this is being added to every year by almost 30 to 35,000 people. So what is the problem? Why can people not donate their eyes? This is a donation done after you are dead. And we only take the cornea, we don't take out the whole eye. So it's not like there is some disfigurement. People feel that they will be born without an eye in their next birth. It's not like that. You call the person as soon as the person passes away, the eye bank will come within 15 minutes and they will do the retrieval, and we can then do the corneal transplant to the waiting patients. You have to pledge your eyes while you are alive so that your family is aware of your wish. So this National Eye Donation Fortnight, which is going to start on the 25th of August, let us all go and pledge our eyes so that we can give the gift of sight and make someone's life bright.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.